So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin ito nga pong napiling import kabola ng San Miguel Beermen at meron din natin pag-uusapan ito nga pong nangyari na sa lineup ng Gilas Pilipinas kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito muna tayo sa final lineup po ng Gilas Pilipinas for this Asian Games kabola. So mukhang hindi na nga po may pipilit sina Calvin Abueva, Terence Romeo, Jason Perkins, Moala Tautua kabola. At dito na nga po papasok yung mga players po na nandun sa list of 60 names na sina Chris Ross, Kevin Alas, Arvin Tolentino at CJ Perez kabola. Diba? Again, we can talk about, we can blame the right people, pero one thing is for sure kabola is stop blaming China. Diba? It is a competition kabola, and in reality what happened is, hindi naman talaga in a way fortuitous event kabola yung rason kaya po magpapalit or hindi available yung mga players po. Talaga lang naman na naging isang malaking kalokohan or katarantaduhan kabola yung napasa po na list of 60 names kaya nagka-issue, diba? So stop po yung pagsisisi sa China. They are competing, they have all the right kabola, kaya nasa kanila kayong power as the host kabola. Now we have a lineup. Actually, it's a very interesting small ball type of lineup. I'm excited to see the players kabola, paano sila mag-gel. I'm excited to see Kevin Alas being there, Arvin Tolentino having a shot kabola, proving that he is one of the top shooting wingmen in terms of international game kabola. So tingnan natin and let's hope for their success. Before natin pag-usapan yung import ng Beermen, check muna tayo ng mga comments dito po sa PBA Brave Agency po na na-post natin regarding kay Jeron Teng kabola. Ang sabi po nitong si Ojo Power, parang walang galawang farm team, kunwari lang galit ang Converge sa sister team kabola. Of course, hindi na po nakakagulat yung mga ganyang komento po regarding nga po dito kay Jeron Teng's free agency, di ba? Kasi nga totoo naman, di ba? He is in a way a big name at siya po ay pinakawalan nila out of nowhere. So katanggap-tanggap po itong ganito pong klase ng komento. Converge GM does not know how to deal players. He only wanted to get Ateneo players and get rid of LaSalle players. In reality, diba? Meron namang ebidensya talaga, diba? Una si Abu, trinade po nila kahit bata po yan nitong si Coach Aldin Ayo. No, nawala na naman si Jeron Teng. Anong tinanong po si Aldin, diba? It was management decision, diba? So, kumbaga, may basehan naman talaga itong comment na po na ito nitong si Johnny Blue, diba? 7475. Dito po tayo naman sa import po ng San Miguel Beermen. They chose Tyler Stone, diba? Of course, sanay na tayo sa San Miguel Beermen. Puro mga malalaking pangalan palagi po yung pinipili. Pero for this tournament, ang pinili po nila is isang veterano, never played in the NBA, Tyler Stone kabola, and I do not think this is the right decision. Looking at the numbers, yung pinakalas po niya na tournament sa Romania, it was impressive numbers. 19.5 points, 47% shooting from the field, 37% from beyond the arc with 2.6 makes. So means he can stretch the floor kabola. 6.6 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 1.3 steals per game kabola. But if you look po at the videos of the highlights kabola, he's more of an offensive machine kabola. He can really handle the ball confidently and that will help him in the offensive side. Pero mapapanarong ka na lang, siya bang offensive dominant player ang kailangan yun na San Miguel? Terence Romeo is getting healthier, diba? And we all know what he needs kabola. Of course, Fajardo is also getting healthier at peak form ulit. He will need the ball, diba? And a lot of their guards need the ball to be maximized, diba? So now, ganun din yung import nila. And ang problema ko dito sa import nila, looking at the highlights, mukhang hindi rin po siya ganon kagaling sa depensa. So magkaka-issue sila sa depensa. And we all know that defense po is one or the weaker side po ng San Miguel Beermen. So for me, medyo negative sa akin yung decision na ito ng San Miguel. Ikaw ba kabola? Sa palagay mo, tama bang decision po ng San Miguel? Comment lang po sa baba.